Hello, today we will guide you through how to change theme in Google Antigravity. If you want to make the editor more comfortable to use, changing the theme is a quick and helpful customization. A different theme can improve readability, reduce eye strain, and simply make your workspace feel better for day-to-day coding. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process from opening the software to selecting a new color theme. Begin by opening the Antigravity IDE software on your device. Wait for the application to fully load so all menu options are visible and ready to use. If you already have a project open, that's fine. You can still change the theme without affecting your files or code. Once the interface is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the window and click on Settings. This is where Antigravity keeps many of the customization options for the editor. If your screen looks slightly different, take a moment to scan the upper right area for the Settings icon or menu label. After opening Settings, click on Editor Settings. This section focuses specifically on how the editing environment looks and behaves. In other words, this is where you can control display-related options, including the appearance of the code editor itself. At the top of the Editor Settings area, locate the search bar and type in the word theme. Using the search bar is the fastest way to narrow down the available settings, especially if there are many options listed on the page. As you type, the relevant theme-related setting should appear. Next, find the Color Theme drop-down menu and click on it. This menu allows you to view the available theme choices for the editor. Depending on the version of the software, you may see multiple light, dark, or high contrast options. Take a brief moment to look through the list so you can choose the one that best fits your preference. Now select Sample Color from the list. As soon as you choose it, the editor theme should update to reflect the new appearance. This change is usually applied right away, so you can immediately preview how the interface looks and decide whether it suits your workflow. And that's all it takes to change the theme in Google Antigravity. If you want to personalize your setup further, you can continue exploring the Editor Settings area for other visual adjustments. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you update your editor quickly and easily.